I also wanted to draw your attention very quickly. There is a module in your table of contents called COVID Student PowerPoint. Um, it's actually just case studies and several questions about COVID-19 and our policy and how you respond should you think you've been exposed, what you need to do, those types of things. So these same questions that you see here are going to be the same questions that are going to be listed under your assessments tab, under the quizzes tab, with this student COVID-19 quiz. So I do ask that you do that and have that done before you come to class on Wednesday morning. Again, the dean is asking every level of students, one class in every level, to have this done. So if you would please do that, we're going to check that just like we check with the academic misconduct and the clinical confidentiality forms. So if you would please do that, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.